Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. It is the May The Best There Is kit. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. Alrighty, we've got our instruction book. These are the 3 projects in the kit, 3 different cards. We've got our full color instructions. Love, love, love the full color instructions. And then we've got the add-on. I ordered the add-on for this quarter with the Thanks and Beyond dies. And the coordinating colors are Basic Beige, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Misty Moonlight, Pool Party, and Wild Wheat. And we've got our inserts so that you can put your stamps with it, so you can see what the stamps actually are. So we've got these trees, a little bit of grass to go on the bottom, with love and admiration to the most amazing person. And what I like about this is the way it is, you could just say with love and admiration and mask out the rest of the stamp, or you could go to the most amazing person, and this one's so easy to mask and just stamp half. And then you're the best there is, and happy Father's Day to you. And again, you could easily mask off that and just say happy Father's Day. Or if you're doing a gift card, you could say to you. So really, really versatile with the stamps in this set. We've got our Misty Moonlight Stampin' Spot. We've got our adhesive dots. We've got some dimensionals. And these are the envelopes. Great wood grain there, and they go all the way up to here. So what I'll do with one of the envelopes is I'll make a little gift bag with it. I've done it before, but I'll do it again for some of the new subscribers who haven't seen it. And then we've got a card base, again, front and back, same color, so lots of options for doubling up there. We've got our card front, and then our greeting banners. This is the other card front here. And honestly, this one, I know this is what the idea is, but this I could see with a gold embossed Merry Christmas on a banner across with some kind of Christmas greenery around. So again, lots of versatility. And we've got our card fronts for the next card and some more die cuts that match the stamp. And again, cards decorated front and back. So it would be super easy to double up the card quantities by just cutting those in half and putting them on your own cardstock. And then we've got the die cuts for the cards. So that is what is in the May 2024 paper pumpkin kit called The Best There Is. So stay tuned for those projects and some alternates.